Exercise number 2, expand the following as separate logarithms. So, kabaliktaran ng exercise 1. So, this time we have a single log. We are going to expand it into multiple logarithms. Okay? So, let's start with the first item. Log base 3 of 3a minus b. So, take note that your argument is this whole expression right here. 3a all over b. Okay? So, as you notice, meron tayong division symbol. Therefore, we can deduce that gumamit tayo dito ng quotient rule. So, if we do that, we can rewrite this as log base 3 of 3a, yung nasa numerator. Then, since merong division symbol, we can say that meron tayong minus dito. So, minus log base 3 of the denominator, which is b. Okay? So, can we expand this further? Yes. Ano yung pwede nating ma-expand pa? So, by looking at this argument right here, 3a. So, 3a is 3 times a. Okay? So, meron kang multiplication na operation dito. So, by product rule, pwede mo silang paghiwalayin. So, how can you separate that? So, we can separate this logarithmic term as log base 3 of 3 plus log base 3 of a. Okay? Then, don't forget, meron pa tayong log base 3 of b dito. So, let's just simplify this. Since we know that log base 3 of 3 is equal to 1, we can rewrite this as 1 plus log base 3 of a minus log base 3 of b. So, this is our final answer. So, from a single logarithm, we have expanded it into 3 separate terms. Okay, so let's do that also to the second item, which is log base 6 of 6 square root of 5 divided by the square root of 6. So, ano kayong pwede nating gawin dito? So, as we have noticed, yung argument natin ay ito. So, in Mathematics 2, sinabi natin that if we have a rational term as our denominator, so we can use the rationalization method for us to remove the radical term in the denominator. So, paano natin tatanggalin yung square root of 6 dito sa denominator natin? Okay? So, again, 6 square root of 5 divided by square root of 6. To remove the radical sign in our denominator, so we need to multiply both the denominator and the numerator by square root of 6. Okay, so by doing that, we have 6 times square root of 5 times square root of 6 is square root of 30. Okay, then all over square root of 6 times square root of 6, we have square root of 36. And we know that square root of 36 is just equal to 6. Okay, so this is 6 over square root of 30 divided by 6. So, cancel out 6. So, this becomes log base 6 of, essentially this is just square root of 30. So, square root of 30. Sir, you have mentioned last time that if we have square root, then we have a positive root and negative root. Pero pwede ba dito ang negative root? So, the answer is no. Bakit hindi pwedeng mag-negative root ang argument? So, remember last time, we cannot take the logarithm of a negative number. So, it does not exist. So, when dealing with square root as your argument, so always this is the positive square root. Okay? So how will we simplify this further? Okay? So remember, if we have a square root, we can have or we can rewrite this as a term with a fraction exponent. Okay? So remember last time we said that square root of 2 is just equal to 2 raised to 1 half. Okay? So using that knowledge, we can rewrite the given as log base 6 of 30 raised to 1 half. Okay? So anong gagawin natin dito? So we have a power. By power rule, pwede natin ilipat yung 1 half dito sa unahan. Okay? So doing that, this is written as 1 half times log base 6 of 30. Okay? So pwede ng final answer ito. However, if you wish to further expand this, so ano yung pwede nating gawin? So take note, 30 is just equal to 5 times 6, no? So I can rewrite this as 1 half times the quantity log base 6 of 5 plus log base 6 of 6. So ang ginamit ko dito ay product rule. Okay? So simplifying this further, meron tayong 1 half log base 6 of 5 plus, so take note, this is just equal to 1. Okay? So by distributing 1 half, so 1 half times 1 is 1 half. So may 1 half tayo dito. So again, you could have this as our final answer, or if you want, you could also have this one. Okay? Next item. So we are expanding, no? From single log, gagawin nating multiple logarithms. Okay? So we have here log base 3 of a plus 3b. So ang argument natin is a plus 3b. Question, could we write this as log base 3 of a plus log base 3 of 3b? Is this right? So if you did that, then you will get a wrong answer, no? Because hindi yan yung rule stated in our product rule. Okay, so remember, doon sa product rule natin, so it should be the product. Okay? So wala kang makikitang plus dito sa loob ng argument natin. Okay? So therefore, going back to this item, so ang magiging sagot natin dito, so this cannot be further simplified. Okay? So ito na yun. Ito na yung final answer natin. Okay? Next item. Medyo mahirap ito. Since meron tayong radical, so kaya natin to, no? So this is log base 10. Since hindi given yung base, so automatically this is a common log, which is base 10. So what we can do, since this is fifth root, then we can transform it into fraction exponent. So this is a squared b raised to 4 divided by c cubed raised to 1 half. Sorry, this should be raised to 1 over 5. Since fifth root siya, no? Okay? So by power rule, itong exponent na 1/5, pwede nating ilipat sa unahan, giving us 1/5 log base 10 of a squared b raised to 4 divided by c cubed. Okay? So anong gagawin natin dito? Ngayon, natanggal na natin yung radical. So pwede pa natin tong i-break down further, no? So, pwede tayong gumamit ng quotient rule and product rule. Okay, so paano kaya yon? So, isa-isahin natin, no? So, let us set aside first yung 1/5. So, titingnan muna natin is log base 10 of a squared b to the 4 divided by c cubed. Okay? So, by applying first the quotient rule, we have log base 10 of a squared b to the 4 minus log base 10 of c cubed. Okay? So with this one, this is a product of a squared times b raised to 4. We can use product rule to break it down into log base 10 of a squared plus log base 10 of b to the 4. Okay? Then we have minus log base 10 of c cubed. Okay. So, pwede tayong mag-power rule dito ng 3 times. So, ibaba lang natin yung mga exponents na 2, 4, and 3. So, by doing that, we have 2 log base 10 of A. So, hindi ko na isusulat yung base 10 since common log naman tayo. Okay. Plus 4 log B minus 3 log C. Okay. However, so going back here sa sinimplify natin kanina, meron pa tayong 1/5. Okay? So, this is all multiplied to 1/5. Okay? So, if you want to write this neatly, yung walang parenthesis, okay? So, our final answer would look like this. 2/5 log A plus 4/5 log B minus 3/5 log C. Okay? So, this can be my final answer.